will see English Ferry textbook. This is of Macmillan's Education and 3rd standard CBSE syllabus. Next we will see cookies for Santa. Cookies for Santa. Warm up. Here are a few good and not so good food choices. Choose a whole wheat sandwich instead of white bread sandwich. Eat with veggies. Choose a whole fruit instead of its juices. Eat salads. Have fruits instead of sweets. What do you want to have in your lunch box? You can write it here. Reading. Now read a poem about a boy who had baked a dozen cookies for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. I baked a dozen cookies and I put them on a plate and I set them out for Santa Claus, except for one I ate. That cookie was amazing and I couldn't quite resist, so I ate another one that I was sure would not be missed. I knew it wouldn't matter if I only ate one more. Then I gobbled up another one. Why not? That's only 4. I accidentally dropped another couple on the ground. I knew Santa wouldn't want them, so I swiftly scraped them down. Except, other than, resist, not able to stop oneself from doing something, gobbled up, ate quickly, accidentally, something done by mistake, scrap, ate, gulped down. Another couple disappeared. I may have eaten those, though I couldn't say for certain, but I guess that's how it goes. I figured 4 was likely more than Santa Claus would need, so I polished off another few with unexpected speed. Before I knew what happened, all the damage had been done and I realized I did accidentally eaten every one. I guess it's best, since Santa sort of needs to watch his weight when he visits us this Christmas. I sure hope he likes the plate. Polished off, finished eating. Reading comprehension. Pick the correct answer to complete each sentence. To start with, there were a dozen cookies on the plate. The poet dropped 2 cookies on the floor and then ate all the cookies. The poet decided that Santa shouldn't be eating cookies anyway. Answer these questions. After baking the cookies, what did the poet do with them? Another couple disappeared. What do you think happened to them? All the damage had been done. What was the damage? Who did the damage? I sure hope he likes the plate. Who is the poet talking about? Why does the poet hope he likes the plate? In the end, what does Santa get for Christmas? Discuss in groups. Do you think the poet really baked the cookies for Santa? The poet uses the word accidentally twice. Do you think everything happened accidentally? I guess it's best, since Santa sort of needs to watch his weight. Do you agree with the poet? If so, why and why not? Vocabulary. Add rhyming word to each row. One has been done for you. Plate, mate, more, sore, those, lose, need, lead, done, one, ground, pound, bind, mind, guess, less. Read these words. Disappeared, unexpected. Adding dis and un help us to make opposites of appeared and expected. Now add dis or un to these words to make opposite. Untidy, uncomfortable, unhappy, unnecessary, uncover, unwrap. Dishonest, disagree, discourage, it should be unsatisfied. Dislike, disobedient. Speaking, imagine you are the poet. Santa is at your home and he is not happy to find the empty plate. Choose a partner. Role play a conversation you will have with Santa. You can complete this activity. Then there is another activity. Make your own Christmas card. You can complete this. Then comes my word bank. Write the new words that you have learnt in this poem. You can write it down here. Yeah, this completes the chapter. Thank you.